Hello, welcome to another short vlog. Guys, when you go to Shenzhen, don't miss this place, especially during sunset. This is called the Talent Park. Guys, look! Look at that! The sun is setting in an hour probably. Yeah, hi. No, it's no longer in it because sunset na. And it's a big park. You can run here, oh. Daga mo jogging, naka siya yung path. Adto padulong kani. And look at the view. What's the name of the building? I'll put the name here of this building later. Okay? Grabe. So fresh. So refreshing. Though wala mi tubig, yuhaw mi. But it's so nice here, guys. Grabe. Go. Let me picture. Oh, wa man ta problema kadali. I'm na ko bill next week. But niya na. Kadali sa anang bill, kadali sa yun. Oh. Nindot yun sa nan. Guys, sa kanindot mura siya whale from afar. Then taran, then may mga kani restaurant ni diri. Then mag vacant pa rin sa ubos niya. So we're still at Shenzhen Talent Park. Go.